Hey, Mike with CoachMikeMcDonald.com here, and today's video will be showing you how you can get more cleaning clients from Facebook groups, so let's get into it. Are you getting ignored in your local Facebook groups? Well, it's probably because you're acting like a billboard rather than a human being. You see, most cleaning business owners join local community groups and Facebook groups and end up posting things like their 10% off flyer, and they wonder why they get 0 likes. You see, people go to these groups for community, not commercials. And if you want to win, you have to be the local expert, not the local salesperson. For example, when someone asks how to get wine out of their carpet, you don't just say, call me, you tell them how to fix it themselves. When you provide a solution for free, it builds reciprocity and positions you as an authority and an expert in that niche rather than just being a pushy salesperson. So when you lead with value, it positions you as that expert, and the next time when that person wants to hire a cleaning service, or even the other 50 people that read your value-based post want to hire a cleaning service, you're the first person they think of because you led with value versus just being a pushy salesperson. Because when you lead with value, they don't just see you as a vendor, they see you as the helpful neighbor that knows their stuff and the expert they should go to. And so this can be a massive lead gen hack for your business. So stop selling and start solving, and when you focus on that strategy, the cleaning leads will follow. And if you did need more high quality cleaning leads for your cleaning business, definitely consider becoming a partner of ours, where we've actually put together a system to help cleaning business owners generate high quality cleaning leads for their business on autopilot. So if you did want to learn more about that and becoming an exclusive partner of ours, click on the link in the description below to do so. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.